To share with you 3 journals that I've made, and these will be for sale in my shop. They're all the same apart from this one, because it's got a different image on the cover. Just making sure you can see that. Right, so this one's got a different image, but all the pockets are the same, the ephemera's all the same. It just might be like in different places throughout the journal, but all the pockets are all set out the same way. There's all the same digital papers. So each journal measures 8 1/4 by 5, one signature, and 100 pages front and back, and I will show you what's inside. So I've used a paper bag for, it's like one of the lunch bags, the block bottom one, so I've used that for the cover, and I've just done gesso, and then I've put acrylic paint over the top, and I think it was called Sea Breeze, and then I just done some stamping with this kind of crackle effect looking stamp. It's all been sewn around the edges. There is some ephemera here which has been backed onto some cardstock. It's been sewn on there, as is this. This has been sewn onto some coffee dyed paper, and it's just kind of been inked up and distressed around the edges. There is eyelets and string as a closure. So there we go. The inside is plain with the paper bag, and the papers that I've used for this is the butterfly journal kit from My Porch Prints. I think that's what it's called, butterfly kit, or vintage butterfly kit. So here we've got a Rita Donnelly flip with a doily, a ticket, a butterfly and some eyelash trim. There's some stamping here. We've got these butterfly journal cards, butterfly tags, some ephemera. There is a doily and some corner punching, a paper bag, some book page, things to do. This is from Tsunami Rose. This is a specimen of handwriting. This is a digital from the old design shop. Here we have just a, what do you call that, a library card, and I've just stapled the paper together just to make a little booklet. There is some ephemera. That's in French. Again, that's from the old design shop. The papers are either tea or coffee dyed. There is a mixture of both. We've got a pocket here, and there's also a tuck there. You can put something small in there. Some music paper here, and a ticket and a butterfly, a doily, some corner punching, some book page, some lined paper, some more stamping, the paper from My Porch Prints. Here we just have a pocket with 3 tags or journaling cards that opens up. That's an idea from Terri, and that just all goes in there. Another paper bag, some dictionary page. This is from Tsunami Rose. This is the old design shop. Here we just have a journal card which I've just stenciled on the back, and this is just a tri-fold journal piece, corner punched and stamped. And the centre of the signature. Another ephemera which is just paper clipped on. And this just opens out like so. So you can do lots of journaling on that, or add some photographs. Paper bag. Here we just have a flip up corner tuck with a tag, a journal card, so there is lots and lots of room to journal. That flips up, flips down. You could glue that there and there and make that a permanent pocket. Here we just have some ephemera from Tsunami Rose and another tag from ARTYmaze. They're actually freebies on Andrea's website, and also on her Facebook group. We have another trifold and this little flip down booklet, and that just tucks in the back of the tab, and just paper clips on. Paper bag. Here we just have another double pocket flip out, some ephemera on there, a journal card, little tag, opens up like so. So there you have it. And like I said, the others are more or less identical. And that's the back page. So that is that one, that is that one, and that is that one. So I'm just gonna list them in my shop. I will put that there's free available, and you'll just get whatever one I wrap up for you. And like I said, the only difference really is the images on the front, but these are actually all from ARTYmaze, so they're all pretty. So if you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.